If you need to duplicate an object quickly, whether it's a shape, sticky note, or text box, this guide will show you the fastest ways to do it. This is a simple trick, but once you know it, it can save you a ton of time when you're building diagrams, designs, boards, or presentations. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, click on the object you want to duplicate. That can be anything on your canvas, like a sticky note, a shape, an image, or a text box. The most important part is making sure the object is selected before you try to copy it. Once the object is selected, there's a really easy drag to copy method you can use. On Windows, hold down the Alt key. On Mac, hold down the Option key. While holding that key, click and drag the object to a new spot. As you move it, you'll be creating like an exact duplicate instead of moving the original. When you release the mouse button, the copy will stay in place, and the original will remain where it was. This is one of the quickest ways to duplicate objects because you can create multiple copies in just a few seconds. If you want to duplicate more than once, you can repeat the same process again and again. Now, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's another method that works just as well. Select the object, then press Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac to copy it. After that, press Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac to paste a duplicate. This is a great option if you want a copy to appear in the same area before you move it somewhere else. You can then drag the pasted object into position. If you're working on a board with lots of elements, this method is especially useful because it keeps your workflow clean and consistent. One quick tip. After duplicating, make sure the copied object is placed exactly where you want it so your layout stays organized. If you're creating a series of similar items, duplication can help you build faster and keep everything looking uniform. To recap, you can duplicate an object either by holding Alt or Option and dragging, or by using copy and paste with Ctrl or CMD shortcuts. Both methods are simple, fast, and effective. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.